Welcome students in the organic chemistry lecture series. Today in this video we are going to study about the IUPAC nomenclature of these two class of organic compounds. One is anhydride and second one is acyl halides. Now before us studying about IUPAC nomenclature of these two classes, we will just see about what is meant by these anhydrides and acyl halides. We know that anhydrides are the molecules which has the general formula R C double bond O O C double bond O R dash, we can say. So these two R, they may be same, R is equal to R dash, or they may be different. Okay. Now how these anhydrides are formed, that we have to see first. Then only then you will understand its IUPAC nomenclature. So if you take two acid molecules RCOOH, again we will take another acid molecule CO R dash, and if we combine them, then there is a removal of water molecule. There is a removal of water molecule, and there is a formation of this RC double bond O O C double bond O R dash. So this compound is called as anhydride. Okay. So what are anhydride? What are anhydrides? Anhydrides are formed by elimination of water molecule between two acid. So we can say that elimination of water molecule from acids gives anhydride. Okay. So when there is a elimination of water molecule between two acid molecule, there is a formation of anhydride. So why I am explaining this? Because while naming anhydrides as per IUPAC system, we have to replace just the word acid by anhydride. For example, we know that in IUPAC system, acids are named as alkanoic acid. Okay, this we know that, but what we have to do, we have to just replace this word acid, we have to replace this word by anhydride. So what we will say, in IUPAC system, anhydrides are named as alkanoic. Just write down the word anhydride. Okay. So in IUPAC system, anhydrides are called as alkanoic anhydrides. So due to this, I have explained the synthesis of this anhydride from carboxylic acid. So you remember that anhydrides are nothing but the compounds obtained by elimination of water from two molecules of acid. So while naming anhydride, we have to name them as a alkanoic anhydride. So I will take one simple example. Say for example, CH3 C double bond O O C double bond O CH3. Okay. Now tell me from which acid this anhydride will be prepared. Okay. You see this structure, you will easily understand that this anhydride is synthesized from acetic acid, right? Acetic acid, or in IUPAC system, which acid? Ethanoic acid. Right? So from acetic acid, or we can say ethanoic acid, we have synthesized this anhydride. Okay. So while naming this acid, this anhydride in IUPAC system, what we have to do? We have to just replace this word acid by anhydride. So what will be the name of this anhydride? The name of this anhydride will become acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. This is a common word. So instead of that, we in IUPAC system we will call it as a ethanoic anhydride. Okay. So it is very simple. Just we have to replace the word acid by anhydride. Okay. So I will once again summarize. In IUPAC system, anhydrides are called as alkanoic anhydride because anhydrides are obtained by elimination of water molecule from acid. We can say that these are the carboxylic acid derivatives. Okay. Now we'll see some more examples so that you will understand the IUPAC nomenclature of anhydrides. Okay, now we will see another example. Consider CH3, CH2, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3. Now if we observe this structure, then we know that this anhydride is synthesized from two different carboxylic acid. So what are these two different carboxylic acid? Say this is one carboxylic acid and this is another carboxylic acid. So this part is, we can say that, propionic acid, from propionic acid, and this part is from ethanoic acid. So we just have to replace the word acid by anhydride. So the name of this anhydride will be, I will write here, ethanoic, then propionic, and simply write down the word anhydride. Okay. So if there was acid, then we will be written the name like ethanoic acid or propionic acid. But this anhydride is formed from losing water molecule from these two acids. That's why we have written the name ethanoic, propionic, anhydride. Means instead of acid, we have written this word anhydride just. Okay. And why ethanoic comes first? Because ethanoic comes faster in alphabetical order. So alphabetically ethanoic is first, so we have written ethanoic first and then propionic, and then finally instead of acid we have written the anhydride. So this is another example we can easily take into consideration. Now we'll see another example. Say for example CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now see the structure, you will easily understood that this anhydride is formed by two molecules of, say, butanoic acid. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Butanoic acid. So we can call it as a butanoic anhydride simply. The name of this compound will be butanoic anhydride. Okay. So this is the another example. Now we'll see some cyclic anhydride. Say for example okay, see this structure. This is popularly known as succinic acid. Succinic acid. Succinic anhydride. But this is not IUPAC name. Succinic acid. This is the common name. This is not IUPAC name. So in IUPAC system, what name will be for this compound? Just see how many carbons are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbons are there. Okay. So we will write down first butanoic. Now see, this anhydride is synthesized from butanoic acid, cyclic butanoic acid we can say. That means within one molecule there will be 2 COOH group like this. Suppose I will write the structure here, COOH, and here also COOH. So if we lose water molecule from this compound, we'll get this product, we'll get this anhydride. So what is the name of this acid? This is butane-dioic acid, right? This is butane DIOIC, butane-dioic acid. Okay. So what will be the name of anhydride which is synthesized from this acid? The name will be butane-dioic instead of acid we have to write down here anhydride only. Okay, so this is the butane-dioic anhydride. So it is very simple. So in this way we have to remember the name of anhydrides, or we have to write the name of anhydrides. Now we'll see one more example, some different example I will take. Say for example like this. This is a cyclohexane ring, and suppose this is the structure of this anhydride. Okay, now what will be the name of this anhydride? Now you imagine how this anhydride will be prepared. If we take cyclohexane carboxylic acid. What is cyclohexane carboxylic acid? This is cyclohexane carboxylic acid. So if you take 2 molecules of this cyclohexane carboxylic acid, and then if we remove the water molecule, then we'll get this anhydride. So it is prepared from cyclohexane carboxylic acid. So we just have to replace the word acid by anhydride. So what will be the name of this anhydride? Cyclohexane carboxylic anhydride. Okay, so what we have done, we have just replaced the word acid by anhydride. The name of this acid, we know it, the name of this, the name of this acid is cyclohexane carboxylic acid. It is right, carboxylic acid. So what we have done, we have just replaced this acid by anhydride. So in this way we can study the nomenclature of anhydride. What we have to do, we have to just remember the acid from which anhydride is prepared. Okay, so in next video I will explain about nomenclature of acyl halide. So you do practice up to that, and we will stop here. Take care of yourself, and we'll meet in the another videos. Thank you.